Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz and I'm going vegan while doing things a little extra each time. Today we are on day 1 million of quarantine, and what better way to celebrate than with an easy peasy breakfast treat. Yes, it's going to be a treat for breakfast. We're making blueberry compote pancakes with a hint of lemon. It's going to be super refreshing, super yummy, so let's just get into it. First things first, we're going to make our blueberry lemon compote. So to a pot, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of blueberries, about a 1/4 cup of water, and one scant, oh gosh, if I could get this to work, scant tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to bring this up to a boil. After our compote's been at a boil for maybe like 5 minutes, you can see it is like significantly reduced, turned into this luscious sauce. If you wanted this to be any thicker or any more syrupy, you could definitely just keep letting it boil. You could also add a cornstarch slurry to this to thicken it up, kind of more like a jam consistency. But look at that gorgeous color. Okay, so what we're going to do at this point is we're going to add our lemon juice and I'm just going to squeeze about half of a lemon in here. And then get that stirred in. And that's just going to brighten everything up. That's really going to like bring out the sweetness, give it a little extra depth as well. And make it taste ultra fresh. Okay. And then we can just let this sit on the side while we assemble our pancakes. So for these pancakes, I'm using Bisquick, which is vegan. And I'm just preparing according to how many pancakes I want. I'm gonna do like half a bowl's worth. I don't have baking powder, so I'm gonna be using baking soda. It definitely still works. You just need to add an acid to activate the baking soda. Like a tablespoon of that. I'm going to be adding more lemon juice, but you could totally use like vinegar. And then as you can see, it gets activated. And then I'm using some oat milk just for extra, extra gorgeous fluffiness. Of course, I always pick too small of a bowl to do this. We're gonna make it work, guys. All right, let's get to pancake making. found that for vegan pancakes, when you're not using an egg substitute, you have to make the batter a lot thicker than you would normally think for pancakes, just so that they hold up and stay fluffy. So that's what we've got going on here. We have finished our fancy schmancy but easy peasy blueberry compote pancakes. I'm just gonna go right in for a bite. Oh, yes. I would even put, oh my gosh, I'm tempted to put more lemon, an extra squeeze of lemon on top. Oh yes. If I had a zester, I would also put lemon zest peels on top. This is delicious. Especially when you let the butter get all melty and gooey. That's what you need. So, oh my gosh. Can't stop eating. Who doesn't want this? For breakfast? For brunch? It could go either way. Brunch if you want to be like super fancy. Breakfast if you know that it's just super duper easy to make and you're like, yes, gonna treat myself. As you should be, treating yourself every day. So yeah, I'm gonna call this a win. It's just so good. I just love the compote idea. It's much simpler than just adding fruit into your batter and hoping it doesn't stick and all that. You can just add it on top. You can still put syrup on this if you wanted as well. It would be delicious. And you can do this with other fruits. It doesn't have to be blueberries. You can totally do like a strawberry compote, a peach compote, apple cinnamon compote would be really good. But yeah, you can mix and match. It's so easy to do. And it's just so good. And then when you use Bisquick to make your own pancakes, that cuts half the time. And I think during these times, you know, it's more likely, I know flour's been selling out everywhere, so I think it's a little more likely that you probably already have one of these types of pre-made baking mixes on hand anyway. So why not make use of it and treat yourself and treat your family, treat whoever, treat everyone. So yeah, if you're new here and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you're notified when new videos go up. And I will see you all next time. Bye.